Welcome to this Cadline Dynamic Maps video where we'll be looking at the routing tools within MapThat. Before we begin, we'll display the one-stop shops in Liverpool and then zoom into the map to plan a journey to visit these locations. Now from the Map Tools menu, choose Route Finder. Once opened, it has options to create or edit an existing route, change the options from driving to walking mode, and to calculate the quickest or the shortest route. Having chosen your options, now click in the map to choose your start point, and then left click again to choose each stop off. Once all the stops are input, choose the tick button on the left to run the route. MapThat will calculate the quickest or shortest route from the start point to all the stop offs, drawing a blue line for the route in the map and compiling a list of directions. If you wish to change a route, in the Route Finder menu, choose the Edit Route options. This allows you to select an existing stop-off point and move them, for example, moving the end one stop to an alternate location. Clicking the tick button will recalculate the route between the updated locations, now ending in a different one-stop shop. Let's clear the map to remove the one-stop shops and the calculated route. And from the Show Layers menu, in the Education tree, we'll display the Liverpool schools. Using the search options, we'll search for a specific address. For example, using the street name search, we'll find an address at Ringo Starr Drive. Once the search is ran, choose an individual address record from the results and the map will zoom and recenter over the address. For the Map Tools menu, let's choose the Travel Time tool. Firstly, you may wish to change the speed units from kilometres to miles. Next, type a value for expected average speed. As we're walking, let's set this to 3 miles per hour. And finally, choose a time you'll travel for. Typing 0.25 will equate to a quarter of an hour. Once the drive time settings are chosen, remember to place your start pin in the map over your address, and pressing the tick button will run the catchment analysis. MapThat then utilises the underlying road network in the area to calculate how far you can travel walking at 3 miles per hour, creating a buffer isochrone area. Because we've already displayed the schools, MapThat will auto ask you if you wish to apply the isochrone to your map layers. From the list, let's choose to filter our schools, and also tick the option to export to an Excel file. Once the catchment area is applied, notice in the map we're now only selecting the schools that fall within a 3 mile an hour walking distance from your address. If we open the data table from the right, we have a list of schools and a count which shows there are 35 schools within our 3 mile an hour walking distance. Finally, if we open the Excel file, the same 35 school records are listed with their names and any other available information which we can then email out as needed. Using the MapThat routing tools allows you to undertake spatial and routing analysis on any of your map layers.